Let me tell you about something that sits on a shelf and somehow makes every person who walks into the room stop dead in their tracks. The McLaren 720S 1/24 scale diecast model car is not just a toy, it is a miniature tribute to one of the most extraordinary supercars ever built. And the moment you hold it in your hands, you understand exactly why people collect these things. First, let us talk about the real car, because you need that context to truly appreciate what this model captures. The McLaren 720S was unveiled at the 2017 Geneva Motor Show and immediately rewrote the entire rulebook on supercars. Under its sculpted skin sits a 4-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing 710 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in 2.8 seconds. Top speed is 212 miles per hour. The entire car weighs less than 2,829 pounds because its core structure is a carbon fiber monocage, not steel. Those iconic doors that swing upward instead of out, those are the signature dihedral doors that McLaren is famous for, and they appear on the real car and on this model. The design was inspired by the shape of a teardrop and the profile of a great white shark, which explains why it looks both elegant and predatory at the same time. Now to the model itself. This is a 1/24 scale replica, which means every single inch on this model represents 24 real inches on the actual vehicle. At that ratio, the model comes out at approximately 7.5 inches long, just about the length of your hand from wrist to fingertip. That is the sweet spot for diecast collecting. Big enough to show real interior and exterior detail, small enough to sit elegantly on any desk or shelf without dominating the space. The body and chassis are die-cast zinc alloy, also known as Zamac, which gives it a genuinely weighty premium feel the moment you pick it up. This is not hollow plastic, it has substance. The wheels are finished in chrome or alloy styling and fitted with real rubber tires that roll smoothly. Lift the dihedral doors and they open upward, just like on the real 720S, revealing a painted interior with detailed seats, a steering wheel, and a dashboard. The front frunk opens, the rear spoiler deploys and retracts with a press. Individual chrome finish parts cover the exhaust tips, grille mesh, and trim accents across the body. The model is officially licensed by McLaren Automotive, which means every proportion, every curve, and every design detail was verified against the actual vehicle specifications. You can get it in multiple versions: the Jada Hyperspec series in candy red with a black roof, the Fast and Furious Hobbs & Shaw edition in metallic grey right-hand drive, the Pink Slip series in white and black metallic, and even a Marvel Spider-Man edition that includes a die-cast figure. Prices run from around $20 for entry versions up to about $80 for the more premium editions. The unboxing experience itself is worth mentioning. The window display box shows the model clearly, and the moment you slide it out and feel the weight in your palm, there is a very specific satisfaction that happens. You open the doors, deploy the spoiler, roll it across a surface, and examine the chrome detail up close. For a car that costs over $250,000 in real life, owning this 1/24 version is the most accessible way to have a piece of that legend on your desk every single day.